Hi, to solve battery drain problem on your POCO X7 Pro, all we have to do is open this security app and here find battery and tap it. Now first thing we can do is go in battery checkup, and right now we can add extra time of use, so we can use our phone for extra time with the help of enabling or disabling some of the features. For example, I can close this list of apps because they drain battery, and this will give me 16 minutes extra on my phone. Also, I can adjust brightness automatically to add 18 minutes. And let's go through this suggestions list. So I can turn on dark mode, and this will give me up to 1 hour 21 minutes of extra time. So this is impressive. I'm not gonna miss that opportunity. I'm gonna turn it on. Also, I'm gonna agree to turn off always on display. I don't need it. I'm gonna clear memory 10 minutes after locking device because background activity consumes a lot of power. Also, I don't mind turning off location services, and the same for haptic feedback. And I gotta agree to don't wake screen for notifications. And also I'm gonna agree to restrict 5G connectivity because I use Wi-Fi. I don't need 5G right now. And now we can add extra 3 hours and 19 minutes. This is just amazing. So this will solve battery drain problem. Tap this button, and now we just added some time. So let's go back here, and next thing we can do is go in current mode, and here we can enable battery saver, and you can see that it increased remaining time. So let's tap OK, and this will also disable some of the features such as screen time, for example. And if you're planning to charge your phone, then turn off battery saver because it will drain battery. Also in battery saver, we can enable or disable some of the features. You can see them in this list. And additionally, you can enable ultra battery saver, but in that case, most of the apps would be disabled. Let me switch back to balanced and go in charging options. So here we can enable top speed to fast charge the phone, and we can go in battery protection, and here to extend battery life we need to enable battery protection by tapping on the switcher, and now the phone will charge up to 80%, and this will help us to extend battery life as I said before. So I suggest you to enable this one as well. Let's go in additional features, and here I recommend you to enable cold endurance mode to limit device performance, and this will also extend battery life. So this is just amazing. We don't need to search for these features in the settings because they are placed in different positions. We just need one security app to solve battery drain problem. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye!